Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious beef quesadillas. Let's start by gathering our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 pound of ground beef, 8 flour tortillas, and 1 cup of shredded cheese. Don't forget 1 onion, 1 bell pepper, and 2 cloves of garlic for flavor. Also, have about 2 tablespoons of your preferred quesadilla seasoning and 2 tablespoons of cooking oil ready. These simple items are the foundation for a fantastic meal. Now, let's create that amazing filling. Begin by browning your 1 pound of ground beef in a large skillet over medium-high heat until it's fully cooked. Remember to drain any excess fat. This step is crucial for a perfectly crisp quesadilla. Next, add your diced onion, bell pepper, and minced garlic to the skillet, cooking them until they are tender, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Finally, stir in 2 tablespoons of your quesadilla seasoning to infuse all those wonderful flavors. With your delicious filling ready, it's time to assemble these beauties. First, heat a large non-stick skillet or griddle over medium heat. Place 1 flour tortilla into the warm skillet, then generously sprinkle about 1/4 cup of shredded cheese over its entire surface. Next, take approximately 1/2 cup of your beef filling and spread it evenly over just 1/2 of the tortilla. Carefully fold the other half of the tortilla over the filling, creating a perfect crescent shape. The final step is cooking your quesadillas to golden perfection. Cook each assembled quesadilla for 2 to 3 minutes per side. You'll know they're ready when the tortilla is beautifully golden brown and slightly crispy, and the cheese inside is wonderfully melted and gooey. Once cooked, remove them from the skillet and let them rest for about 1 minute before slicing into convenient wedges. Serve your fantastic beef quesadillas with your favorite toppings like salsa, sour cream, or guacamole for an unforgettable meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.